I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select Cali Forms. Copy the webhook URL and fetch it. Now go to the Cali Forms dashboard and edit the form. Go to the setting and click on Webhook. Give here a name. Create. Paste the webhook URL in the payload URL. Map the respective fields. Save. Test. Test done. Now go to Bit Integrations dashboard, and here you can see the data is fetched successfully. Set actions. Search and select Uncanny Automator. Give here the Uncanny Automator webhook URL. To proceed, please navigate to the dashboard of Uncanny Automator. Add new. Choose recipe type. Now choose the trigger webhooks. Receive data from a webhook. To fetch the data, please copy the webhook URL and click Get Sample. Then paste the webhook URL on the integration site. Body. Send all data. Choose Request Payload Application/JSON. Here are some advanced features of conditional logic you can use for your requirement. Test webhook. Webhook executed successfully. Next, finish and save it. Go to your Uncanny Automator site. You can see that the data has been fetched successfully. Use these fields. Save it. Add an action. You can select the action you want to take. I have chosen MailerLite. Add a subscriber to a group. Now map the respective fields. Save it. Active the recipe. Go to the Cali Forms and fill in the form. Submit it. Form submitted successfully. Now go to MailerLite dashboard. After successfully sending the data via Uncanny Automator, you can see it in MailerLite. Thanks for watching.